Hi everyone, my name is Alejandra Alvarado and I will be your instructor for this semester of American History. A little bit about me before we get started. I am a first generation college graduate. I have a bachelor's degree in political science from CSU Stanislaus, and I'm currently working on a master's degree in history from Grand Canyon University. I've been teaching here for about 4 years, and I've honestly loved every class that I've had. It always feels like a great environment. We have a sense of community. And that's honestly why I decided to make this video. I want to talk to you about the importance of communication within our class. So I honestly believe that students learn better and thrive in classrooms where they feel supported and where they feel listened to. So I want to tell you a little bit about how I'm going to try for us to reach that level of comfort. So you feel comfortable coming to me for help or reaching out to your classmates. Let's start off with the beginning of the semester. I know the beginning can seem a little stressful. You're coming into an environment where maybe you don't know a lot of people. So to start off the semester, I want to do some icebreakers with the class, help you get to know a little bit better about your classmates. We're going to do 2. One of them is 2 truths and 1 lie. So your classmates have to try to guess which of the 3 facts that you're going to tell them about yourself is a lie. And try to make it fun, make it something outrageous. Number 2 is deserted island. So what 5 things would you take on a deserted island? It can't be a boat and it can't be a phone because that would be cheating. Okay. Another strategy that I want to try is to build community. I'm also going to give you a chance to earn extra credit. So there's certain events on campus that you'll have a chance to attend. There's guest speakers that will attend to give lectures. There's film screenings. There's plays put on by the drama club. So if you attend these events on campus, you'll have the chance to earn extra credit. And if you attend with classmates, you can earn even more extra credit points. So I'll go into a little bit more detail about that once we go over the syllabus. Let's see. And this next part, it's based off of what I just mentioned, which is participation. So a part of your grade will be based on participation when we do group projects. So I would hope that there's a certain level of cooperation and respectful communication when you're working with your groups. Let me address that I know a lot of people don't like group projects. I know they can be a source of tension and stress. So let's talk about some ways that we can avoid that or help diffuse any tension that may arise with you and your classmates. Let's say we're working on a project and you can't attend class, or you don't really understand how to complete your part of the group assignment. Reach out to your classmates, reach out to your group. Let them know, I won't be able to make it to class today. Can you just let me know what happens in class or what part of my assignment I have to do? Or can you help me on my part? I'm a little confused about it. Sometimes I know classmates want to avoid that confrontation. Confrontation doesn't have to be bad. So we can communicate in a respectful way, an honest way, and it doesn't have to be something that's super stressful. So let's try to be understanding of each other. We're adults, we have other things going on. So let's be understanding of that. Sometimes life gets in the way. So be understanding of your classmates, communicate respectfully and honestly with each other. That is my recommendation. If these situations do happen, let's talk about how to diffuse them. So I know maybe you won't understand how the other person is feeling. Listen to them. Try not to judge them. Be aware of your tone when you reply to them. Make sure it doesn't come off as aggressive because that can definitely make a situation become bigger than it needs to be. Try to remain neutral when you're having these conversations with them and try to find some common ground. Maybe you're having an argument, but somewhere in that argument, I'm sure there's a point of agreement. Try to find that and build from that. And these are things that we all can do. So I include myself in this. I want to be able to communicate with you that way as well. So I will talk to you and listen to your arguments. and we can both communicate in a respectful and honest way. Having said all that, I hope we have a really successful semester and that we can build our own little community so your time in this classroom will be enjoyable and fruitful. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.